Wanted to show some of my Balisongs. This is a PCC 68 stainless steel handles, hidden pins. Blade's been reground and polished by Matt Cook. Benchmade 31S titanium handles. This one is a pre-production. It's a Benchmade 41MC titanium handles, pocket clip. This is a 42 SMC. This is a 42A military finish. I think it's bead blasted and then anodized. There aren't many of these around. It's another 42. This one was modded by Matt Cook. Anodized the handles and polished the blade. This is a Benchmade 43, modded by Matt Cook. Anodized the handles green, polished the blade. This is a 45S stainless steel hidden pins. This is a 46 T-latch titanium handles. This is a Benchmade 51 with titanium handles done by Flytanium. It's got a carbon fiber pocket clip. This is another titanium 51. This one was done by EDC Knives. This one has the titanium scales made to look identical to the original G10 scales. This is a Microtech Tachyon 2 with the Bowie blade. This one was modded by Matt Cook. Rounded the handles, gave it a orange peel satin finish, made custom titanium block spacers and anodized them green. Did a hollow grind on the blade, polished it. It's another Microtech Tachyon 2 modded by Matt Cook. Also ran over the handles on this, anodized blue. This got the original black block spacers. This has the Tonto blade. This one had the blade reground. Has a hollow grind. It's a BRS Alpha Beast. It's another Alpha Beast. This one was modded by Matt Cook. Rounded the handles, anodized them like a bluish purple with bronze and the chevrons and spacers latch inside those holes. Also made a custom titanium pocket clip for it. Reground the blade, put a swedge on it. This is BRS Replicant standard version. Another replicant. This is the premium version with the green anodized pocket clip and liners. He also did one with white scales. I'm still waiting on Blade HQ to ship that one out. Last is the Jerry Hom Prodigy Trainer. These things are really cool. They flip really well and best trainers you can get right now. So it's part of my Balisong collection. Probably do another video showing some of my other ones. Thanks for watching.